everyone, today I will show you the symbol, a mathematical symbol that I create, and this symbol can represent the concept of contextual multiplication. It is used when multiplying two quantities, but the result depends on an additional contextual factor or condition. For example, if you're multiplying two values, a and b, with tensor symbol or cross, it signifies that the result is not simply simplified by a and b, but rather a and b adjusted by some contextual condition which can be defined or specified. The tensor symbol represents a multiplication operation, and the cross symbol signifies that the multiplication outcome is influenced by an external context specific factor. This could be a time, environment, condition, or some other variable that alters how the multiplication behaves. For example, if a equals 5, b equals 3, and the cross or plus symbol equals time, the product a tensor and cross sign b might reflect how the time of day influence the interaction between a and b. E and g could be added or modified based on the time. In modeling scenario, you could define a operation where a is a base value, b is a scaling factor, and the cross sign is adjust the outcome based on environmental or time-based conditions. And that's all, guys, and thank you for listening to me, and thanks for watching.